Good morning and welcome back to another edition of Doing It with Dish. Today I'm back at the property working on the south entrance this morning. So we hauled into some gravel, we opened it up, widened it up a little bit, pushed some trees. I still think the south entrance is just a little bit too narrow to get a log truck backed in. So what I did is went out and bought 2 more sections of culvert, a longer section to put here on the south, and then a shorter section, a 10-footer, to go up on the north entrance. So what I'm going to do is scoop out the ditch a little bit and get that culvert in place. Something to always remember anytime you're digging anywhere is to know what's in the ground as far as power, old telephone, any kind of buried gas lines. So what I did last fall is I went and got a driveway permit. A gentleman from the road commission comes out, he looks at the situation and tells you what you need for a culvert. So I needed a 40-foot, 15-inch culvert minimum. So last fall that's what I put in, is a 40-footer. And then I had the utilities come out and they marked their lines. So the power is all overhead. The old phone line is in the actual road bed itself, and the only one of concern was a new internet line that was buried last summer, and that's about 5 feet away from where I need to dig, and the marks are still there actually from last fall, so I feel confident in where I'm going to dig and move a little dirt. Also, that internet line is about 3 feet down. I'm going down maybe a foot, so I should be all set to go. So let's get after it. All right, culvert's in, it's all covered up. Would have been nice to have some gravel here today to finish it off, but we'll have to do that another day. But that went good. Let's hope the other one goes as good. All right, I got this all trenched out. I need to dig around the old pipe, get that cleaned up, get this leveled off a little bit, roll in the new culvert. We'll get her covered up. Hopefully it's that easy. Clamps on. Time to start putting some dirt over the top of this and get it leveled out. Get out of here. Well, it's the end of another day, and rarely when you're doing something does it go better than planned. Usually it's the opposite. But those culverts today, they went in better than I expected. It took me less time than I thought, and I shouldn't have to add on any more sections of culvert. Should be plenty wide now. All I need to do now is get some gravel hauled and get those finished up. Should be set to go, I would think and hope. Now, as we end most days, we're going to have ourselves a little scotch. And what I've got today is a Shackleton, named after the famous explorer Ernest Shackleton. This is a blended Scotch whiskey, and it's about $45 a bottle. It's available at most liquor stores. And if you notice something about it, it's a little bit lighter in color. But it's still good. So let's enjoy some, and until next time, here's to ya.